Question number 4. Question 4 here says, some traditional Indian foods made with wheat, rice and Bengal gram or their products which involve use of microbes. Okay. Now, we make some food. Those food use microbes. Which are those? Let's see. So, traditional Indian foods and microbes used. Just 2 columns. Name of the food and which microbes are used. So, let's start with idli dosa. Idli dosa both needs fermentation, and to ferment them, it is used which bacteria? It is fermented by some bacteria. Now, second, gutta, that is black gram, again bacteria. Third, wheat or bread, baker's yeast. So without baker's yeast, your bread won't be fluffy, and bread is made up of what? Wheat or maida. So we just need to name traditional Indian food, which is made up of what? Wheat, rice and Bengal gram, which involves the use of microbes. So we know that, see, rice, gram and wheat, all 3 things are covered. Which food are made? Dosa and idli is from rice, gutta is from black gram and bread is made up of wheat. And all these we use bacteria to make it more fluffy and to make it proper and tasty. So students, this is your answer number 4.